your friends. So, the interview question that has been asked frequently, could you please explain the custom labels, custom settings, custom metadata types in Salesforce? Well, so previously also in our live workshops as well as through the same YouTube media explained. So, I want to put more exploration on this concept custom labels, custom settings, and custom metadata types in Salesforce. Well, so let me log in first, some account, password, done. Okay, don't worry, I work more in Classic, so you are seeing the Salesforce Classic. Else, you want me to take you to the Lightning experience, no problem. Let's go there as well. Okay. So let's go to the setup app first. Done. Okay, I do have a setup app, so where we can do the development tools over here, right? So our concept here, so we are saying in Salesforce, what are the custom labels, what are custom settings, and what are custom metadata types. Done. Basically, you have records, right, in Salesforce, where you have stored in either standard objects or custom objects. You have data over there. Well, this is simply the records are existing along with some memory for that. They are physically existing in Salesforce, of course, along with record ID, that unique record ID, 15 digits, 18 digits, done. And it is consuming some memory, some space which we have purchased from the Salesforce, done. That is our custom, okay, custom or standard, either object records. So, what are these? Physical means which has some consuming some space or memory, whatever you call, right? And can you deploy this data along with package or change it when you do the deployment of your components? Can you deploy the records? It's not possible, right? Because it is physical, it's not metadata. What you can deploy in sales, I mean, in any technology from one environment to another environment, what you can deploy metadata, simply metadata, whatever the development components you have developed, being a developer or admin, that you are going to deploy, not the data. You deploy the metadata only, metadata components, done. So now what about this? So you have to give these files, flat files, Excel, for the say Excel, then they, the other client people, they use data loader or data import wizard, what are the data migration tools, through that they are taking the data. Whatever the metadata deployment package is not going to contain, cannot contain the data. Okay, this is records, done, over, fine. So this I consider as a physical body, like we have body, mind, soul. In the same manner, Salesforce, it has a body of physical structure, physical data. So this is the human physical body, done. What comes next? uh, Existence, a physical manifestation, some space consuming record, and something else is there that is not a data at all, means which is not consuming some space, but it exists. You can access it, pure energy form, if you want me to talking law of attraction language, it is pure energy form. Okay, how that is going to come? Which is not consuming any space or anything, that is purely soul. That is simply the custom metadata. Okay, let me share this. That is custom metadata type. Okay, so the object, account, contact, lead, the stand object, any custom object that you have underscore underscore c. So custom object has underscore underscore c as an extension. Done. That is pure physical form. After that, what do we have? Custom metadata type. Sorry, custom custom metadata type. Okay, this is purely soul, means it is not consuming any physical. It is purely an energy form. MDT. Its extension is going to be underscore underscore MDT, metadata type, which can hold the records like your account has edge communication, that is website, phone, rating, type, etc. In the same manner, custom metadata type is also going to contain data. The advantage here, it is not a data, means which is not consuming any space, and you can deploy this information as a part of your package. You can use this in your formulae, in your code, wherever you want to use. Okay, like vertical lookup, somewhere you have used validation roles and functions, right? So you can use anywhere you want to use it. That is custom metadata type, which you can deploy as a part of package. This is purely a soul form, means which is not occupying any physical space, physical memory. Done. The thing in between this physical form and soul form, a mind is there, right? Which is mind. What mind? Somewhere it has a memory over there. Okay, so that is in between. What I call is a mind. Mind. So that is nothing but a custom settings. So what is custom settings? It is not from the data. So whenever you make a query, so show me the accounts. So it has to go to the database server and you have to fetch the fresh information from there. Coming to the custom settings, it is mind. It is in applications cache memory. It is applications cache memory, and whenever you are making the second call onwards, it is getting the information, so it is not going to get every time. Okay, so that the developers are going to get from the cache memory. So this is about your custom settings. So we got the clarity what is physical body, that is custom object records. Done. Then mind, application cache memory, and again you have a list and hierarchy, list type and hierarchical type information that you can store and get. Then soul, which can be a part of custom, package, which you can deploy. That is custom metadata type. Done. Then what is custom label? Right. For example, I want to use a Japanese. I am developing applications for Japanese guy or Chinese client. So I have used Japanese display label, okay, a Japanese label or China label, number of times, number of custom pages, number of custom lighting pages or lighting components. Okay, UI, lighting UI or classic UI. Done. So I want to define once and have to use multiple times, like function, simple, right? Reusability. So I will create a custom label once. For example, how are you? Or good morning. Hi, good morning. Uh, in Japanese, I want to say, in Japanese, I want to say hi, good morning, or namaskar, namaste type of thing in Japanese. Konnichiwa. What is it? Konnichiwa. So to say konnichiwa, when if I have 100 pages, 100 custom classic pages, 100 custom lighting UI. So everywhere I have to go. to say to change konnichiwa to konnichiwa kombawa. I want to add something called kombawa, good evening type of thing. So 100 pages of classic and you lightning, I have to go and I have to change it generally. But if I create one custom label somewhere, I can use it any number of pages, any number of lightning or custom classic UI. Now I want to add or edit something wherever it is used. Simply, I will go to that particular custom label and will just make a small change over there. That's it. That's it. In all the UIs, wherever I have used 100 classic pages or lighting pages, lighting components, it is going to be reflected. That is our custom label. Done. Let us see the picture. Oh, am I sharing it or not? Yes, I am sharing, right? Okay. Now, let's create one custom label. We will see it. One custom setting, list and hierarchy. We will see it. Then let's have a custom metadata type and try to create a package if time permits. How much time I have consumed? 11 minutes. Okay, not an issue. Let me open in one account. This is a problem. Hmm. Okay, classical, right, okay. Generally, I prefer classic while demonstrating. It saves the time. Okay, lightning experience. Let's try to do the show here in lightning. Search for custom labels. Custom labels. Right, I have used one custom label here. Shah manager salary, something, and its value, the label that is being shown to the user on the UI, that is in Japanese, something is there. Okay, right. So to save your time, I have already created. I mean, it's already created for our batch, and let me use it. So remember, the name of the label is Shah MGR SAL, Shah Manager Salary, which is projected in Japanese language. Shall I take a Visual Force page or lighting component, or shall I use in developer console for you? Okay, developer console. Okay, on the line number one, I am printing. Uh, okay, let me take it into a string. So the API name of custom label is LABEL, and remember, this is what we call global variable. So on the UI, wherever you are using, you are going to use the dollar. Whenever you are referencing it in your UI, classic or lightning component, you have to use the dollar. Done. Table dot Shah MGR SAL. Okay, let us try to put it. So line number one and two. I'm executing and opening the log as well. So executed. So open the log and debug statement. So line number two, debug statement, Japanese. It is being printed, right? Okay. Uh, you want me to show in a custom page? Quickly create a custom page. So is a classic page. Okay, so lightning component, yeah, temperaments we will create it. Uh, Output text or label, whatever you give. I'm giving the value. It is a global variable, right? Dollar used to be used in the merge tag. Dollar symbol I'm using. SHA MGR SAL. Okay. So SHA manager salary. I am printing it in some Japanese language. See, this is the Japanese language. Done. Shall we give some styling component? Okay, right. So like this 100 classic pages, 100 lightning components, it has been used. Okay, now I am changing its information. It is asking SHA manager salary. So I wanted to change English to Japanese. So now I am saying good morning, something like that. Good morning, salary, something like that. Okay, just remember this I am copying. So once I will change where, going to the setup, custom labels, and that particular this thing data I'm changing. Okay, save. So all the 100 pages wherever you have referenced this one is going to be affected. You see, just the work is going to be useful like this. Shall I get the previous information? Okay, no problem. Let's change it later. So wherever the developer have used it, has used it in multiple UIs, it is going to be affected. So like that, it is going to be helpful. Clear. So that is about your custom label. Done. About the custom object record or standard object records, which is consuming some space. That is here. Setup. So I have purchased 5 megabytes storage and records. I am using 230 kilobytes of account object, some custom objects also. I might be having no custom objects. Mhm. Okay, Pune pin codes, managers, or employees. Okay, that is consuming some physical space, 28 kilobytes. Are you seeing my screen? Hmm, right. So this is a physical like a body. Done. Then the next concept is custom settings, which is like your mind, which is stored in the application's cache memory. Let's try to, I'm not sharing here the screen. So let's go to the custom settings. Hmm. So I have Pune pin codes, which is of list type, and another SHA Pune pin code settings, which is hierarchy. So this is also like custom of, I mean, records, object records only, and that object has double underscore C. Custom object has double underscore C. Custom setting also has double underscore C, which is having some data with it. This is hierarchical. Let us say list. Directly you can click on manage so that you can see. So like the record ID is saying A04, like A00, A01, like custom object records, which is being assigned. The same thing like that, and it has the same name, location, some code double underscore C field, location double underscore C. This custom setting, where are you pulling it from? This is from application's cache memory. Okay, right. Then what we have soul, which is custom metadata type, and its extension is underscore underscore MDT. Right. So something is there, country information or something. So if you click on that, you see its API name. The API name, sorry, I'm not, one second. Okay, so I have gone to the custom metadata types and some things are there. So one metadata type, I have clicked on it. I have API name underscore underscore MDT, metadata type. And when I go to the managing its, I have some records, 200, 2 million records. Okay. So what is the advantage of this custom metadata type? This you can include in your deployable package so that it will go to the production org, I mean, another org, maybe another sandbox or another org. Okay. So this is all about a physical body type of object records, then mind type of cache memory, custom settings, then pure soul. It's not the data, but you can use it as a data. That is custom metadata type, as well as you can define ones and use multiple places and change ones all places affected. That is custom label. Generally, we use the custom labels for uh, clients which are having other languages apart from English, like Japanese, Arabic, Hebrew, something like that. Okay. Then this is about everything. In the next interview, you are going to crack it like that. All the best. Yeah. For any information about my forthcoming batches, be in touch. You want to take my WhatsApp number, please only WhatsApp. WhatsApp only. Please. Don't think otherwise. Done. Let's meet once again. Have a nice time. God bless.